Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Tech, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to flash Pixel Experience based on Android 11 in POCO F1. Pixel Experience is the best all-rounder ROM and there are no bugs so far. Also, you will get monthly OT updates which include security patch. That's why Pixel Experience is the best ROM that you can flash in POCO F1. Installation process is pretty simple and easy. I am hoping that you have TWRP recovery installed, which is customized by Offgang. Link is in the below description. If you don't flash this ROM without Offgang's TWRP recovery, your phone will not boot up. So make sure you have Offgang's TWRP recovery installed. You have to download the latest Pixel Experience ROM from official website, links below. This is the Pixel Experience Plus version. After doing all these steps, now the process is very easy. Just flash the ROM via TWRP recovery as I have shown in this video. So keep watching this video. First, you need to wipe all these things. After wiping it, you have to go to the install section and find the Pixel Experience ROM which you have downloaded. For my case, it is in the internal storage, and I'm gonna flash the Pixel Experience ROM, and it's very easy and simple. As you can see, I have successfully booted up to the Pixel Experience Plus based on Android 11. You just need to flash it via Offgang's TWRP recovery. Everything is working fine so far. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching. You guys always have a great day.